Now, the National Super Alliance will on Saturday hold its first public rally in Bomet town on the invitation of Governor Isaac Ruto. Tonight on Spotlight 2017, our reporter Murimi Mwangi interrogates what Isaac Ruto's entry into NASA means for Jubilee politics in the Rift Valley and the possible direction KANU might take after Saturday.
Isaac Ruto has been a sharp thorn in the flesh of the ruling Jubilee regime and a persistent pain at the neck of his namesake, Deputy President William Ruto, for some time now. But the Bomet governor has ignited yet another storm in the South Rift over his association with the recently unveiled opposition outfit, the National Super Alliance NASA.
First public function is going to be a public rally in Bomet town, Bomet County, as guest of the Governor of Bomet, Honorable Isaac Ruto, on Saturday, the 4th of February.
Mtu anaenda upinzani kwa bahati mbaya. Hawa wengine wanasema tupange tuende upinzani makusudi. Kwani wanaona sisi ni wajinga?
Pole sana. Wewe utangojea na utalia siku ya kupiga kura. Sasa wanasema wanakuja kufanya rally yao Bomet. Wanakaribia kuja kuomba kura yao Bomet. Hakuna mtu atazuia mwingine kuja kuomba kura.
Isaac's invitation of NASA to Bomet has evoked fresh debate on the political campus his close allies in KANU will follow. Like Isaac's chama cha mashinani, KANU has been at constant loggerheads with the ruling Jubilee regime since rejecting calls to slaughter the Jogo for the Jubilee party.
The government should be very careful. Yes.
And now, KANU's Secretary General Nick Salat has said that he will be attending the NASA Bomet function.
The capacity I'll be attending, I'll be there as a resident of Bomet, one, and also as the Secretary General of KANU. And I'm still propagating NASA's position in our party until otherwise, but for now, I'm still Ndani.
What the opposition sympathizers are basically saying, and I think they are going to commandeer these leaders, that what we want is unity.
Isaac has accused the Jubilee regime of systematic attempt to kill devolution. His party has been scouting for suitable political partners to kick Jubilee out of power. NASA has already set up a 12-member management committee to broker consensus on a single presidential candidate. Key strategists in the opposition confirmed that the membership to the committee could be expanded in the future if fresh entrants to NASA stake a claim on the presidency. A strategy which some observers argue could be a carrot that NASA is dangling for key Jubilee rebels. But KANU's National Executive Committee recently criticized Salat's endorsement of NASA, as KANU is yet to take a stand regarding the presidency.
All options are open on the table for KANU right now. We've got we've got the NASA, of course, we've got Jubilee there, and we've got KANU to go it alone.
Besides the fact that we're talking talking to NASA, or some people may be interested in talking to Jubilee, there is an option that we can go it alone. Or if we decide to go to NASA, we are going to have our principal also having presidential ambitions.
William Ruto is banking on his re-election together with President Uhuru Kenyatta to allow him ample time to strategize for his 2022 presidential bid. But some analysts argue that the rebellion against the ruling regime, particularly in the South Rift, could remain a key headache to Jubilee as the 2017 campaigns continue. With the stakes arguably higher than ever before, both for the ruling Jubilee regime and the formidable opposition outfit NASA, Uhuru Ruto's handlers will no doubt be watching the going-ons in Bomet on Saturday as NASA makes the first bold raid of a Jubilee stronghold for the 2017 vote. Murimi Mwangi, KTN News in Nairobi.